Hi students, let us start our journey. Okay, we will start business class, which is paper 2 of CA Foundation. So there are 7 chapters in this subject. We will start discussing about Indian regulatory framework, which is the first chapter. The weightage of this chapter is 4 to 6 marks. So we need to discuss 8 parts, or I have divided the chapter into 8 parts. So once we know all these 8 parts, we can say we have completed the chapter. So on 12th September, we have discussed why law is introduced in CA syllabus, or why CA students or CA should know about the law. We also understand about 2 definitions. We understand about origin of law. Then on 13th September, we discussed process of making law. We discussed sources, and we also discussed 3 types. So the 4th type we are going to discuss today in the class. And thereafter, we have structure of Indian judicial system and enforcement. Remember these 8 parts. I prepare a small smart art, which you can take a screenshot. So this is that smart art, which you can take a screenshot. So let us start the first question. Why? Why law was introduced as a subject in CA syllabus? So as you all know that CA is mainly known for income tax, mainly known for GST filings, GST registrations, audits, company audits. There is much more a CA can do, but people in general no CAs for this income tax, GST filing, company audits, etc. So if you want to do practice in income tax, do practice in GST, do practice in company law. So these are all laws. Okay. So a CA should eventually know all these laws. Okay. So tax laws or other laws are also laws. So these are the laws which a CA should eventually know. Okay. That is the reason that that law is introduced introduced in CA syllabus, right? Number two, if a client wants to get start the business, he wants to get GST registration. So the first person he will go and ask questions is a CA. Then if a client wants any advice, management wants any advice, so they'll go to CA for basic level of questions. So these are all the typical reasons why law was introduced in CA syllabus. What are those 4 things? We'll see. So a CA should know law because he is the one who is going to practice tax laws, GST laws. And many legal matters, clients will come and ask questions to CA, and CAs are the one who will advise managements or clients on legal matters. And finally, tax laws are also laws. So this is why law is introduced in CA syllabus. Okay, we'll move to the next question.